Welcome back, grade 3. This is our new lesson 10.3. We are talking about measure time intervals. In other words, elapsed time. This is new vocab. You have to know it well, and you have to know what is the meaning of elapsed time. It means the difference between the start time and the end time for certain activity. Any activity like our session. It starts at 9 o'clock, for example. It ends at 9:30. Okay, so the elapsed time here is 30 minutes. Okay, it takes 30 minutes. So how can we find it? We have three ways actually to find elapsed time. Let's see an example to understand. We will see more than a way today, three ways. The first way, using time number line. So what is the activity here? We have here a movie. It started at 4:10 p.m. and it ended at 4:53 p.m. So he asked, how long did the movie last? So how many minutes does it take? Okay, so we have to find the difference between the end and the start time. And let's see here. So the steps are, first you have to find the start time. Then we will skip counting by fives or by ones or by tens, the easier for you, till reach the end time. Okay, then step 3, we will draw jumps on the number line. This is concerning the number line to show the minutes from the start time, which is 4:10, till the end time, which is 4:53. Then we will record the minutes and add them up. Okay, so we have here from 4:10 minutes, 4:10 minutes till 4:20. It takes 10 minutes. So each time we can skip counting here by tens. Each time I'll add 10. So it will be here 4:20, 4 and 10 more minutes. It will be 30. Add more 10. It will be 4:40. Yes, then we can add 10 minutes to be 4:50. Yes. Okay, the end time is 4:53, so we cannot add more tens. So we will add ones. 50 and 1, it will be 51. Then add 1 minute more to be 4:52. Then add 1 more to be 4:53. Thank you. Okay, this is the end time. So let's add the minutes here, all of them up together to know the elapsed time. It takes how many minutes from the beginning till the end. So let's skip counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So it takes 43 minutes. Okay, so the elapsed time from 4:10 p.m. to 4:53 p.m. is 43 minutes. So the movie lasted 43 minutes. Okay, is it okay? Yes. Okay, let's go to the next page, which is 574. I said at the beginning of the session, we have 3 different ways to find the elapsed time. The first example, we took how to find it using time number line. The second way, as you see here, we can the face of analog clock. Okay, so let's revise it again. We know it takes 5 minutes from one number to the next one. What is the activity here? He said the start time, the same activity with the same time, but we will try the 3 different ways, and to see it doesn't change. The answer will not change. You can use whatever you want. All the ways will reach the same answer. Okay. So the start time for 10 here. This is the start time. It's 4 o'clock and 10 minutes. The end time, it's 4:53. Where is the 53? Now here we have 50 minutes at 10. Then 1, 2, 3. This is 53. Do you see? Okay. So what is the difference? Let's skip counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, this is here 40, then 41, 42, this is 42, this is 43. Do you see the same answer? It takes 43 minutes. The same like the answer for the time number line. There is no change. What is the third way? The same activity. It started at 4:10 p.m. and ended at 4:53 p.m. So here we will subtract. I'll start, put the end time up. It's 4:53. I'll subtract, take away 4:10 from 4:53. So we will put the end time up and the start time down. We will put the end time up, the start time down. Let's subtract as usual. It's 3, take away 0. 3 minus 0, that's 3. 5, take away 1. 5, take away 1, that's 4. Okay, so 4 minus 4 is 0. So it takes 43 minutes. It takes also 43 minutes. The same answer. You're free to use any way you want. The easier for you, use it. Okay? So what are the 3 ways? Using time number line, using the face of the analog clock. The third way is subtraction. When we use subtraction, we must put the end time up. The start time will be down, so we will subtract the start time from the end time. Okay? Let's try this one. We have here an activity. The start time is 10 and 5 minutes a.m. 10:05 a.m. The end time is 10:30 a.m. So using the number line, This is the first way I can use number line. The story time here 10, 5. Let's skip counting by fives. If we skip counting by fives, after we can put here mark something like this. We will write here 10. It's 10. After 10 minutes it will be 15. Then after 10 minutes more it will be 10. Yes, 25. Okay, you can draw jumps. Okay, can we add more 10? If we add more 10 it will be 10 30. It will be 10:35. So the end time with us is just a 10:30. So here we have to add just 5. Just 5. Here we will add plus 5 only. Okay, to be 30. Here we will add 10 plus 10, and here also plus 10. Okay, so 10 5 plus 10 will be 10 15, plus 10 will be 10 25, plus 5 will be 10 30. This is the end time. Okay, let's add them up. 10 20 25. So from 10 5 to 10 30 is 25 minutes. So the elapsed time is 25 minutes. Okay, this is using number line. How can we solve it using subtraction? I said we will put here the end time up, the start time down, and then we will subtract normally as we know before. 0 take away 1. Okay, we have 0. Can we take away 5 from 0? No. So we will cancel 3. We will cancel 3 and borrow. More on top or more on the floor? More on the floor. Go next door. Get 1 more. 3 will be 2. 10 will be 0 will be 10. So now we have 10 minus 5 equals, yes, 5. 2 take away 0. It's more on top. No need to stop. It's 2. And 10 minus 10, which is 0. So the elapsed time here, as you see, is also 25. There is no change using this. You can use different ways as you like to get the same answer. Okay, now let's get to page 575, number 1. Number 1, he said use the number line to find the elapsed time. He said use the number line. So he determined the way that I have to use. And this way I must use the number line, okay? So the start time is 1:15 p.m. The end time is 1:40. Okay, 1:40. I want to know the elapsed time, the difference between the end time and the start time. So let's start to add 10 minutes. So if I added here 10 minutes, it will be 1:25. Yes. Add plus 10 more. It will be, yes, 1:35. Can we add 10 more? If we added 10 more, it will be 145. So I have to stop at 40. So I will add also here plus 5. Because 35 and 5 equals exactly 40. So here we added 10, 20, 25. So it's 25 minutes. Okay, 25 minutes. Number 2, find the elapsed time. Start 11:35 a.m. and 11:54. Let's add the start time 11:35. The end time here will be 11:54. Okay? So let's add here plus 10 minutes to be 11:45. Excellent. If we add plus 10 here, it will be 55, more than 54. So I cannot add plus 10. So let's add plus 5 first. So it will be 11, yes, 50. Then we will add plus, we will add plus 1, then plus 1 to be 52, 53. So we can move a little bit backward to write them correctly, like this, to get space, more space. But it's okay. There's no. Okay. So you can add plus 1, then plus 1, plus 1, plus 1 to be 4 and more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 and 50, it will be 54. So how many? How many minutes here? What is the elapsed time? It's 10 plus 5 plus 4 equals 19 minutes. Okay? Any problems? I think it's easy. Okay? So let's start. Solve number 3. Start time is 4:20 p.m. End time is 5 p.m. Here. The start time 4:20. This one. Let's skip counting by 5s. Here will be 5, 10. Okay. I started here at 4 exactly, which is 0. I start with 0 here. At 5, it's 5 minutes. Skip counting by 5s. Here, 10. At 7, 15. Then 20. Then 25. And time is 5 o'clock. So when we reach here, we will stop. 30. Then 35. Then 40. Yes, so it takes 40 minutes. The elapsed time is 40 minutes. From the start time at 4:20 till 5 o'clock exactly, it takes 40 minutes. This is the elapsed time. Okay, grade 3, I wish you understood the lesson well today. Just watch the video more than one time, then you have to solve your part, your own work. This part, the rest of page 575 from 4 till 7. Okay, this is your own work, so try to solve it. If you have any problem, we will discuss it next conference session, inshallah. Thank you and goodbye.